Moringa is a tree. It grows in tropical climates. People call it the miracle tree. It has been used for centuries in traditional medicine. Moringa is packed with nutrients. It has vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These are important for good health. Moringa leaves are the most nutrient-rich part. Moringa is gaining popularity worldwide. People are recognizing its health benefits. It is a sustainable and accessible source of nutrition. Moringa is an excellent source of vitamin A, which is vital for maintaining healthy vision and overall eye health. Vitamin A is essential for good vision, helping the eyes to adapt to changes in light and keeping the cornea clear. It also supports the immune system by enhancing the function of white blood cells, which are crucial for fighting infections. Moringa is also rich in vitamin C, a nutrient known for its powerful antioxidant properties. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect the body from damage caused by free radicals and environmental pollutants. It protects the body from damage and supports the production of collagen, which is essential for healthy skin, cartilage, and bones. Vitamin C also helps with wound healing by promoting the repair of tissues and the formation of new skin cells. Moringa provides a good amount of calcium, which is essential for maintaining strong bones and teeth. Calcium is crucial for strong bones and teeth, and it also plays a significant role in muscle function and nerve transmission. It also plays a role in muscle function, ensuring that muscles contract properly and aiding in the prevention of cramps. Moringa is a good source of iron, which is essential for the production of hemoglobin in red blood cells. Iron is essential for carrying oxygen throughout the body, ensuring that all organs and tissues receive the oxygen they need to function properly. Iron deficiency can lead to fatigue and weakness, making it difficult to perform everyday tasks and reducing overall quality of life. Moringa is known for its energy-boosting properties. This superfood has been used for centuries in traditional medicine for its numerous health benefits. People who consume moringa regularly often report feeling more energetic and less fatigued throughout the day. It contains nutrients that support energy production. These nutrients are essential for maintaining high energy levels and overall vitality. These nutrients include iron, vitamin C, and B vitamins. Iron is crucial for transporting oxygen in the blood, while vitamin C and B vitamins play key roles in energy metabolism. Moringa can help improve digestion. A healthy digestive system is vital for nutrient absorption and overall well-being. It is a good source of fiber. Fiber is important for maintaining a healthy digestive tract. Fiber promotes regular bowel movements. This can prevent constipation and other digestive issues. Moringa can support the immune system. A strong immune system is essential for fighting off infections and staying healthy. It is packed with antioxidants and vitamin C. Antioxidants help protect the body from free radicals, which can cause cellular damage. Antioxidants protect the body from damage. They are essential for maintaining healthy skin and overall health. Vitamin C boosts the immune system. Moringa has anti-inflammatory properties. These properties can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Inflammation is linked to many chronic diseases. Reducing inflammation can improve overall health and quality of life. Moringa can help reduce inflammation in the body. Incorporating moringa into your diet can lead to numerous health benefits, making it a valuable addition to a healthy lifestyle. Section 4. Incorporating moringa into your diet. Moringa, often referred to as the miracle tree, is packed with nutrients and can be a versatile addition to your meals. Moringa powder is a convenient way to add moringa to your diet. It's easy to use and can be incorporated into a variety of dishes. You can mix it into smoothies or even add it to soups and stews. The powder blends well and enhances the nutritional value of your meals. Moringa tea is a delicious and refreshing way to enjoy moringa. It's simple to make and can be a soothing beverage at any time of the day. Simply steep moringa leaves in hot water. This process extracts the beneficial compounds, creating a nutritious tea. You can add honey or lemon for taste. These additions not only enhance the flavor but also add extra health benefits. You can also add fresh moringa leaves to salads. They have a slightly peppery taste. This can add a unique flavor and a nutritional boost to your salads. Moringa leaves can also be cooked like spinach. They can be sautéed, steamed, or added to various dishes, making them a versatile ingredient. Moringa capsules are available as a supplement, providing a concentrated dose of moringa nutrients. These are perfect for those who prefer a quick and easy option. Just remember to talk to your doctor before taking any new supplements. It's important to ensure they are safe and suitable for your individual health needs. Section 5. Embrace the power of Moringa. Moringa is a nutrient-rich plant that offers many health benefits. It can boost energy levels, improve digestion, and support the immune system. There are many ways to incorporate Moringa into your diet. You can use Moringa powder, tea, fresh leaves, or capsules. Choose the method that works best for you. Consider adding Moringa to your daily routine to experience the amazing health benefits of this miracle tree. Moringa is a valuable addition to a healthy and balanced diet.